In this tutorial, you'll learn how the CSS Flex Direction property works. We'll compare row and column layouts and see how Flexbox controls the direction of your items. Let's get started. Inside the body, start with an H2 heading. Type Flex Direction, row. This heading tells us that the first Flexbox container will arrange its items in a row. Next, create a div and give it two classes, container and row. Inside this container, create three div elements. Give each one the class box. Add the numbers 1, 2, and 3 respectively. Now create another H2 heading. This time, type Flex Direction, column. Below it, create another div with the classes container and column. Again, add three div elements inside it. Give each one the box class. Then add the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So, the first container will demonstrate a row direction, while the second container will demonstrate a column direction. Start with the universal selector. Set box sizing to border box. Set the margin to 0. Then set the padding to 0. Now target the body element. Set the font family to Arial, sans serif. Add 40 pixels of padding. Next, target the H2 heading. Set the margin bottom to 12 pixels. This gives the heading some space before the Flexbox container. Now target the container class. Set the display property to flex. Set the gap to 10 pixels. Give it a light gray background using #F0, F2, F2, F5. Next, add 16 pixels of padding. Set the margin bottom to 40 pixels. Now target the row class. Set Flex Direction to row. Finally, target the column class. Set Flex Direction to column. Now target the box class. Set the width to 80 pixels. Set the height to 80 pixels. Next, set the background color to #6366F1. Set the color to white. Now set the display property to flex. Set align items to center. Then set justify content to center. Finally, set the font weight to bold. This creates equal-sized boxes and centers their content both vertically and horizontally. And that's how Flex Direction works in CSS. Use row to arrange items horizontally or column to stack them vertically. Subscribe to DevFix for more quick CSS tutorials.